It's game night! Come on, Papa needs a new pair of shoes. Curse you, Monopoly. Wanted, dead or alive. Mr. Pennywise, you can never tell which. Please don't tell me they're going looking for his house. No, wait, they're just building him a new one. Wow, a paper boat. Just don't chase after it. It kind of makes sense. Someone making houses for monster clowns has powers herself. On a related note, make sure the clowns don't have access to sharp tools. Or any tools. Thinking about it, don't even let him near the whiteboards. They make balloons scary. A tip for this part is to think of a happy clown face. As contradictory as it seems. Great! Now the tools are haunted. If that red balloon floats down in an eerie manner next, just run. For some reason, it makes sense for the house to have a lot of eyes. I mean, windows. Yeah, windows. Now Pennywise needs a nice, roomy attic to hide his stuff. Yeah, stuff. A nice high turret will also help him keep an eye on those kids. Great! A fly! Stash him in the kitchen! Unless Pennywise prefers his lunch in the parlor. Don't go through too much trouble. The spiders like to prey nice and... When a fly causes this much damage, it's time to use some out-of-the-box methods. Such a waste of a perfect little meal. When making the basement, make sure to add a window to look up from, and maybe some iron bars. By the looks of it, the slime could be made of recycled clown costumes. Perfect for this house. Excuse me, sir, miss? But shouldn't you measure that first? By the looks of it so far, this dream house is a nightmare come true. Wait, now the paintbrush is possessed. On second thought, the house could use a fresh coat of spooky. If you're wondering why she didn't just use brown clay, clowns like the extra special touch of painting over something bright and colorful. Its personal sponge manages to make things look dirtier than before. This is every popsicle stick's worst nightmare come true. But it does make the house look nice. If you're going to use popsicle sticks, you should use the ones with jokes on it. Where do you think clowns got their materials from? When making tiles, keep them nice and black like Pennywise's smile. Even the Eater of Worlds wants their house to have a nice paint job. Or back to the sewer we go. You'd be surprised what a touch of decay and gloom can do for your exterior. Works for complexions, too. Make sure the house is nice and roomy. We'll need space for the rides and cotton candy. Make sure to add 29 Neibolt Street, or at least out of it. Boarded up windows are perfect for keeping everything out.
And keeping it in.
Between bright lights and dead lights, a little newspaper keeps the dark. I hope someone remembered to bring something more useful, like tubes. Perfect! Eventually, the whole thing should be painted red. It's hard enough getting bloodstains out of your clown suit, let alone walls. Isn't there supposed to be an old well somewhere under the floorboard? An old aged feel will make it easier for things to rise up from the ground. Hiya, Georgie. Long time no see. I'm guessing that this door is going to have scary written on it in some fashion. It's nice to have a warning, but you really shouldn't trust doors. If that stovetop starts running, well, you better get ready to catch it. So that's where it's been keeping Prince Albert all this time. Now it's time for the man of the hour, or whatever it is, to make an appearance. Get ready, people. Come on, his nose is a little bigger than that. He's a clown. And don't forget a big smile that makes the girls say, "Kiss me, clown boy." In addition to the makeup, staying in sewers also really helps him work on his tail. You don't want to know what the red stuff is, though. Remember, the fun of makeup is making your own style and scaring small children. Spider-Clown does whatever Spider-Clown does. Clay eggs. The only thing scarier than a clown? More clowns. Now that the gang's all here, let's sing Kumbaya. Just make sure to keep that coffin lid open. Things get weird when it closes. Time for another guest to arrive at the Wells house. That's a weird looking hot tub. Hiya, Georgie. 2 times in one day. That's a record. You just know he fished that balloon out of the sewer. What a nice garden.
It would be the perfect place to dig some new graves.
Georgia, I swear, if you say you'll float too one more time, I'm leaving.
Looks like the clown room's good and ready.
If you have to choose, go with the last one. Clowns are known for their lies. When it comes to shape-shifting abominations, or just clowns, you don't even need a fog machine. Let's hope nobody's home. The Losers Club is on the case. The scary thing is that you know he's gonna let go of that balloon in like 5 minutes.